If you're studying for the Property and Casualty State Exam, this one's for you. Today's video, I'm going to break down the difference between split liability versus single liability. You'll see this in a few different sections, but primarily in the auto section. Every state has required limits of liability, and they can be shown either as a split limit or as a single limit. First, we're going to talk about single limits because they're the easiest to understand. The single limit is just one set amount that's available for all injuries. Whether the injuries are related to bodily injury, property damage, as long as it's under that certain amount, the claim will be paid. For example, let's say the single liability limit is $55,000. That means that the policy will cover any and all injuries and damages up to $55,000. Split liability limit is a little bit more complex because the limits are specific to the damages. For a split limit, you have three numbers that represent thousands. For example, 20, 40, 15. That represents 20,000, 40,000, and 15,000. The first number is the amount of coverage available for bodily injury per person. Middle number is the amount available for bodily injury per occurrence. And the last number is the amount available for property damage. So in this example, the person has $20,000 for bodily injury per person, $40,000 for bodily injury per occurrence, and $15,000 for property damage. That last number, property damage, that's pretty simple, right? That means there's $15,000 available for any damage done to the vehicle. $20,000 for bodily injury per person. That would be if the person that you're involved with in the accident is by themselves. If the person is in the car with three other people, that middle number, 40,000, is the max they'll pay out for all of their injuries because that's per occurrence. If one person's in the car, they'll pay $20,000. Two or more, they're going to pay $40,000. Make sure you like, comment, and save this video so you can come back later. And if you need even more help, go get our exam prep booster. That link is in our bio. Good for all states.